Does a hornpipe tell a story? Have you ever listened to a hornpipe and wondered if it tells a story? This lively tune is a staple of Irish traditional music, but its narrative might not be what you expect. A hornpipe is primarily a dance tune, known for its distinct rhythmic pattern. It is typically played in for time and has a slower tempo compared to a reel. The rhythm is often swinging or dotted, giving it a cheerful step dance quality that invites movement. The structure of a hornpipe usually follows a musical question-response format. You will hear a melodic phrase introduced, followed by a response, and then a repeat. While this format is engaging, it is more about musical phrasing than storytelling. The hornpipe originated in England and Wales during the 16th century and was associated with sailors. The dance mimicked the movements of sailors, capturing their lively spirit. When the hornpipe made its way into Irish traditional music, it adapted to fit local tastes. By the 19th century, it became a vital part of Irish dance music. The Irish hornpipe is particularly known for its rhythmic emphasis, which supports step dancing. The beats often mimic the sound of dancers' feet, creating a vibrant atmosphere. While hornpipes do not tell stories like ballads or songs with lyrics, they can evoke moods and feelings. The music often feels lively and spirited, reflecting the social and dance contexts in which it is played. The story of a hornpipe is more abstract, conveyed through rhythm and melody. It brings energy to a session or dance floor without explicit narrative content. For travelers in Ireland, attending traditional music sessions is a fantastic way to experience this aspect of culture. When you hear a hornpipe, you connect with the lively spirit of Irish life. The rhythm invites participation and celebration, creating a communal storytelling experience through movement and sound. So, while a hornpipe may not tell a traditional story, it certainly shares the story of Irish social life and tradition in a unique musical form.